Welcome back to Unveiling Beauty. My name is Nick Stenson, and this will wrap up our holiday season with Unveiling Beauty. And I had to bring back my three favorite people, David, Jaleesa, and Anna. How are you guys?
So excited.
So we've been talking all holiday season about all our favorite gifts, giving each other things that we love, but it's not over. There's so much more to still give.
And buy for yourself as well.
And buy for yourself. I'm a firm believer that you buy one for someone, you buy one for yourself. That's how you shop. That's the best way.
I usually leave Ulta with like a bag full of things for other people and a bag for myself. Just like leaving the store.
Maybe two for me, but
I was going to say the bag for myself is just bigger.
Yeah, definitely bigger.
All right, Jaleesa, let's kick it off with you.
ooh, okay. We're coming in hot because I actually have a gift for you. It's so heavy.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so I think you're gonna love this.
Okay.
I know you are so busy, but you still slay some hair.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think this is gonna be perfect for your kit.
Okay,
So,
I'm excited. Let me see.
all
Let me see.
you.
Thank you. Oh, it's heavy. I have a feeling I know what brand this is. Let's see. Okay, our little elves taped this really tight. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Oh, it's pretty.
it's
I haven't seen
so
this one.
it's so pretty. I've never seen it either, and I was like, okay,
Oh, that's
that
pretty.
is nice.
It's very on brand for me too. I love it. It is the Airwrap, but look at this beautiful rose, everyone. This is so, so beautiful. And you know what? You're right. I don't have this in my kit. I do need it. I do need it.
And it comes with all those attachments.
It does. And you know what is so funny? Look at all these attachments. It's great. When I first started, so any hairdressers out there watching, when these first came out, I was a huge skeptic. I was like, this is more for someone to use at home. It's never going to be something I'm ever going to use as a professional hairstylist. And I was really wrong. I actually love using these. I love the softness that it gives to the hair, how beautiful and modern the curl looks, or however you want to style it. And you can see here, there's so many different attachments to really be able to get any look that you want. So thank you.
You're so welcome.
I will tell you right now, run into an Ulta Beauty because these are going to be gone.
Yeah, that shade.
Strawberry bronze.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Already the name is like, I need it. Wow.
I need an eyeshadow in that color.
It's
Okay.
beautiful.
So next, we have more hair. And David, this is for you. I know you love your color, but you got to take care of that hair, honey. So I thought you would love this set from Olaplex.
Yes.
It has, everything that you need, your Bond shampoo, your oil. I'm sure you use these products on your own already, right?
I do. I already have Olaplex in the shower. I think this is such a good thing. Again, I am a professional hairstylist, so I feel like I always recommend this to other people. But then I bleached my hair and I was like, oh, okay, like now I need to incorporate. I think something about what's so special about Olaplex is really thinking about that bond technology. They were really the first people to really dive into this world. They do it so well. And so especially this bonding oil, which is so viral, people love it so much. So I love the opportunity to have all of these. And because I travel, this is my little travel set.
Yeah.
But I'm for someone else that wants to try Olaplex for the first time
Yeah.
and
Great
make an
kit.
investment in their hair, it's a great kit. So
Yeah.
thank you.
Of
Thank
course.
you so much.
I think it's great too because even when I was looking to try Olaplex for the first time, it's very overwhelming. Like, what number? What do I buy? And it's like, in a set, you have everything that you need.
As a number 7, which is the oil, they have the number 3, which is the strengthener, the shampoo, and the conditioner. So these are great.
Yeah.
And also at the salon at Ulta Beauty, we do have the Olaplex treatments that you can do.
Yes.
So this is a great thing to have at home. If you do get the treatment, you want to take this home.
Yep.
And you want to have this in your shower to kind of keep up the maintenance.
Totally agree.
Love that.
Okay, so David, I'm giving you all the love today. Snail mucin has been viral for so many reasons. I know you love it.
I do.
This helps boost collagen production. Have you used snail mucin before?
I have. Actually, I have been to Korea multiple times, and I feel like I got to see the beginning stages of it about like 6 years ago. And I was introduced to the brand in Korea, COSRX, which I love. So when I saw Ulta Beauty was carrying it,
You were like,
saw it in
wait.
the store, I was like, oh, wait a minute. Because in Korea, this is some of the best in
Yes.
skincare. The essence that's in here. So if you don't know about like Korean skincare, they love essences. It's about like pushing moisture into the skin.
And
So-
helping improve the skin's barrier.
Yes,
And this
it's
kind of helps you to dive
delicious.
into the snail mucin world because it's not just the essence only. You get everything else.
You have everything here that I love, but I will say the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is, and a little tip around it. So I love K-pop, and I learned that to get that really even juicier skin, they do 10 layers of the essence. So they'll like press it into the skin. It's all about patting into the skin versus like mushing it around.
Yeah.
And I just love what it does, and it wakes it up. So you let it dry down and another thin layer and pat it in. And I mean, it takes a long time, but one time I did it and I was like, oh girl, my skin, I was ready to take on the K-pop stage, Miss Thing. It was so good. So I love that I have this. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. I'm gonna have to try that 10 layer.
Yes, it's delicious. It takes a moment, but it really leaves your skin so, like every fine line has like disappeared.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
My world could be crumbling, but once I put a little bit of skincare and tap it in,
There you go.
everything's okay.
Everything's good.
I
Love
agree.
that. Love it.
All right. Very good. Anna, let's go to you.
Oh my goodness, let's go next. Okay, so I have some favorite goodies that I found, and I think you guys are gonna really like me after this. Okay, so Jaleesa, I know that you are a fan of the brand, and I know you create so many transformative moments, and I think you're going to love this little kit of a Rhinestone Fantasy by Half Magic. So this brand launched at Ulta Beauty last year, and they really are so fun. And as a makeup artist, for you personally, or for what you have in your kit, and it has little tweezers. So whether you're in festivals, whether you want to glam up your look, like it's so fun. It's so fun.
I mean, you guys should know by now, I'm from Trinidad, so I am a carnival queen, and I do not care if it's carnival or not. Every moment is a moment for some rhinestones. I love this because they have so many different sizes, and it comes with the tweezer. So it makes life easy.
So fun.
Cute.
So fun. So fun.
Can we start playing that game that you start giving away your gifts to other people?
Yes.
I might take this one actually for myself. I love these gems so much.
Well, the good news is you could just go into Ulta Beauty and buy them yourself.
Tea.
See?
This
there
is
you
true.
go.
And then I have one other thing for you, because I know you are always perfecting your pout, whether it's for yourself or whether it's, I've gotten the benefit of it many times. And this Polite Society little foursome of their lip glosses is not just lip glosses, glossy lip balms, which are not only delicious, but also incredibly hydrating. I think you're gonna love this.
Thank you. I love this. And you know what I like to do a lot too? Sometimes when you do like a matte lip, sometimes you want to change it up, but not necessarily with a gloss on top. So these matte lip balms is a nice combination to get moisture, but without taking away too much of that matte finish. So thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome. You're very welcome. And then David, I have something for you.
Oh my God, I'm really just so lucky today.
And not that you need any more confidence. However,
Trust me, it's a facade.
for the days where your skin needs a little bit extra love, extra hydration, extra nourishing, this trio is incredible because it's 3 full sizes, and it is their incredible confidence in a jar, essentially. So there's confidence in a cleanser, confidence in an eye cream, and confidence in a cream. And this stuff is incredible. I want to drink this up.
It's so juicy. Thank you. Obviously, I mean, I work in beauty, so I've tried so many things. And I remember when I got a chance to kind of dig into It Cosmetics and their skincare, this confidence in a cream, especially
Really nice.
during the winter, to
so
steep it
rich.
overnight. It's so rich without feeling like too, because I'm very oily and acne prone. I'm too scared, but this has never caused an issue for me. So to have these 3 products in here, they're 3 full sizes, by the way.
Yeah, it's
3
great,
full
great.
sizes.
Yeah.
And I think you get a chance to see that sometimes investing in your skincare is really investing in yourself and your confidence. So this is great. So thank you, Anna, because this is going to come in handy these couple months right now.
Absolutely.
It has a hyaluronic acid and a bunch of ceramide.
Oh, it's
so good.
delicious.
Yeah, it's
They're
so good
really
for you.
nice. All right, David, it's your turn.
Oh, okay. Wow. I have so many. Okay. Gift giving is my love language. So sometimes I feel more comfortable giving gifts than I do receiving them. However, in this moment, I do know that I'm going to give out, this is going to be for Anna. This is Charlotte Tilbury's iconic Hollywood lip trio.
Thank you. Okay,
Who does a lip better than
so
Charlotte Tilbury?
fab.
I mean, come on. And
Darling.
you are the
Delicious.
queen of lip. Look at that. That's
So good.
gorgeous.
Oh my goodness, the shades are incredible too. Love.
Very pretty.
Love.
And you do wear all these shades.
I do wear
I've
all these
seen them
shades.
all
I
on you
love
in
this.
one day.
All in one day.
As the mood changes, I love this. Thank you so much, David.
Of course. And then this is for you, Jaleesa. This is Rabanne. They are newer to in-store at Ulta, and they have 3 products in here. I have to give a shout out quickly to the packaging because I love this kind of pull-out shelf and then everything they have inside. So it's a color shot eyeshadow that pops under the eyes, very metallic. It's beautiful.
love those.
Which, if you know, you know. It's so
the
good.
girls are sleeping.
They are.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's so good. And then there's also a mascara and then also a lip product. It's like your lips
Pretty
better.
cute.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
very,
That's
very
beautiful.
pretty.
The packaging is
It's one of those things where I I'm gonna use the product, but then I love it because on my vanity, it's just gonna look so cute in my
Beautiful.
beauty room. Thank you, David. You know me so
course.
well.
And then I do have one more gift, and this is something that I know I can give to so many people in my life. This is from Clinique, and this is a set that I think has a lot of their iconic products all together in one. I remember seeing Clinique in my mom's bathroom when I was very young, so every time I see it, it just feels like such a heritage brand, and also because it's so efficacious, it really works. So they have their Take Off the Day makeup remover, which people really love. It's very gentle on the skin, but takes everything off. It also has their mascara, which I know my mom is obsessed with. And then you also have a liner, and then you also have a liquid liner as well that doesn't skip or smudge. So this is going to be a great set for anyone in your life that really loves to wear makeup and a little bit of skincare all at once. It's going to be a great gift.
That's a great one.
Beautiful.
Nick, what about you? Do you have some
Look at, she just stole that. She just snatched it right out of your pile.
What's
You
it
didn't give
called?
it to anyone. I know you want it.
No, you can
The white elephant
I have
gift?
it.
The white elephant gift thing. Yeah. I didn't give it to anyone. I was just like,
Just kidding.
It just went like this right to me.
We noticed how you just kept that right by you.
I love it. He's like, that's
This is
for
the
me.
gift that's for anyone in your life, including yourself. So
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. First, we have this party pout. Okay, I got to give this to you, Jaleesa. I love this. They have two different, this is a really well done little pack. Two different products, but it looks like one little kit. And that's from Ole Henriksen. I mean, so cute.
Okay, so these have gone viral. These are their peptide lip treatments.
They
Have
are
you tried them?
so good.
They are always sold out. So if you can get your hands on this, get your hands on it because it is so hydrating. Have you tried this yet?
Do I need to try it? Can I have
do.
one of those?
You can. No, you can. I'm like, no, actually, look. It has like
Oh, that's
A little seam.
Yeah.
a seam, so you can actually share it. So
We can
give
share
you
it.
one.
We can
click
Yeah,
it later.
I definitely will give you one. But this, it softens lip lines, and it also gives a bit of plumping and of course hydration.
Love.
So good.
Fantastic.
All right, well, it doesn't stop there for you, Missy. Nars came out with this amazing kit, and Nars is such a beautiful, beautiful brand. Two different lip colors here. One is a gloss, one is a stick. Look at how beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
I'm spoiled today. Okay, and I'm going to give this to you.
Oh, thank you. I will totally take
I feel like you don't have enough gifts.
listen,
gosh.
I do that with love.
She's got more product than Ulta Beauty.
You wear these colors, right?
I do wear those colors. Those are beautiful colors. Listen, I will happily
Okay, and I'll
accept
give
an
you one of my
extra
She'll just layer them onto the date. Yeah.
It's
No,
great.
no, but I love Nars though, so I love you for this because I am a Nars girly.
Yes, Nars does lips very, very well. They do everything really, really well, but
They do.
the lip, so good.
You always think I'm mean to you, but I actually have something for you.
Okay, tell me.
So, first of all, the packaging is stunning. This is the new Hourglass palette. Look how beautiful this
gorgeous.
is. Look how gorgeous.
For me,
Yes.
beautiful.
I'm giving it
really
to
nice.
you. Look at you.
I would have stolen that anyway.
Yeah. Look at who I gave it to because she would have just took it right from them.
Oh, I love that. That is gorgeous.
So nice.
No,
Stop it right now. Thank you. Oh, this is really lovely. This is really, really lovely. And it actually is multi-use, correct? You're able to use it as a shadow palette as well as there's a little bit of, if you want to do that as a bronzer, as well as a blush. So
cheek,
this
yeah.
is a really
It's beautiful.
very
Very
versatile.
elegant.
Highlight too.
And highlight as well.
yeah.
Gorgeous. Oh, so lovely.
I love the multi-purpose, especially lately. I'm like, I just use my bronzer as the eyeshadow, and then like I just put it all together. It's
Yeah.
so much faster.
I'm like, who's the captain?
Thank you. This is, and look the pack. Oh, this is so luxurious. This is really
I mean, they
luxurious.
nailed the packaging on that.
Gorge.
Let me feel it.
Yeah, look how substantial that is.
Thank you
right?
so much.
All right, everyone. That wraps up this season of Unveiling Beauty. Now, we shared with you all of our favorite things that is available at Ulta Beauty, but trust me, there is so much more. Head into an Ulta Beauty store near you. Go on Ulta.com. There is thousands of different gifts that you can get for yourself and your special someone. I cannot believe this wraps up another season of Unveiling Beauty. We're going to go enjoy the holidays with our friends and family. We wish the same for you. And New Year's is around the corner, so I think we need a little confetti.
I think we do. I think we do.
All right, on the count of three. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, happy holidays. Have a beautiful holiday, everybody. And we'll see you next year on Unveiling Beauty. Take care.